morning, everyone. My name is Roniel Jane Estecalios, and I'm here to talk about something that's deeply important, not just to me, but to everyone else. So, the topic that we will be discussing today, or the advocacy that we will be discussing today, is all about gender equality. So, why do I choose this topic? Now, before I further ado, I want to ask you guys, have you ever experienced being discriminated or being treated unfairly just because of your gender? Inside and outside public? Well, if you do, that's the reason why I want to change this kind of thinking and the stereotypes that happen in this generation. So now, I'll be discussing what is the purpose of this advocacy of mine. What is gender equality? Gender equality means everyone, regardless of gender, has the same rights, opportunity, and respect. It's about making sure girls can dream just as big as boys, that boys can be vulnerable without judgment, that all people, no matter how they identify, they are always treated fairly. Why it matters. When we ignore gender inequality, we allow injustice to continue. Women still earn less than men for the same work. Men are still held to up man up. Instead of being allowed to feel, people of diverse gender identities are still excluded and misunderstood. Like what Emma Watson once said, if we stop defining each other by what we are not and start defining ourselves by who we are, we can all be freer. This is not just about women's rights, it's about human rights. My advocacy in action. My advocacy starts with awareness because change begins when we start asking questions. I believe in educating people about unconscious bias, empowering others to speak up, creating spaces where everyone feels safe and seen. For example, like I've started conversation with my own circle, online and in person, about how we can treat each other better. I encourage others to challenge sexist jokes, support gender neutral policies, and uplift voices that are too often ignored. How can we help? You don't need a big platform to make differences. You can be mindful of your words that you will use. Support your fears regardless of their gender. Listen, really listen to experiences that are different from yours. And most importantly is to stand for every human rights. Overall, to my advocacy is that today I'm not just asking you to care, but I'm asking you all to act, because when we choose equality, we choose kindness, we choose justice, we choose a future when no one is limited by gender and where no one's treated unfairly. Thank you for listening, and thank you for being part of this change and for listening about my advocacy.